Let me start off this video by showing you there's a face to the voice. So look down in the lower hand corner there. There I am. There is a human being behind all of this. And I'm going to get rid of myself right away so we can get right into the messaging, what you should do, how you should do it, when you should do it, so on and so forth. So anyway, I would suggest, I personally do this, so I would also suggest it for you. The first thing I do every day is go to linkedin.com. I hit the messaging. I filter unread messages and follow up. As you can see, I'm on top of it every day. So there is no unread messages. And then I respond, or you should respond. And it needs to be personal. And really the whole thing you're trying to accomplish is to set up some sort of phone call or Zoom meeting, so on and so forth. Anyway, so that is the actual technical or the beginning technical part of it. Now, the second thing is, what should the messages look like? So I'm just going to go through two real quick. I have a whole bunch here, but I'm only going to go through two real quick. It's got to be non-salesy. So I personally use this for many years. I'm looking for a mutually beneficial business connection, one where we refer clients to each other. Currently a luxury home realtor in Phoenix. I see you're involved with the auto industry or whatever industry, or your business owner, whatever you want to say there. If you feel we can offer each other's customers and clients something unique and special, I'd be interested in talking further. Boom, that's it, direct, works like a charm. Second, if you already have a tremendous amount of connections, which this gentleman did, Dave with AmeriFirst Financial, and so you still can't be salesy right on the first, I call it, can't sell on the first date, so you have to send a non-salesy message. So even though he went and sold within this message, we started off with, thanks for being a connection on this great tool, quick intro, here's who I am, out of necessity, my team opened a call center. Then he went into the sale. So again, buffered it with a bit of introduction. And last but not least, by far, is I personally use an app. And what this app allows you to do is to LinkedIn has a limit of 150 messages a day that you can send out. Now that's a lot. So and 5 days a week, you send out 750 messages to targeted potential clients. So anyway, within the app, you just create a campaign. You put the message in there. It's good for everybody. And literally hit the start button, stop and start in this case. And all you have to do every day is literally wake it up, and it will keep sending the 150 people you've chosen, or let's say you chose 750, it'll do 150 one day, 150 the next, so on and so forth. There should be a bunch of ways to reach out to me above and below this video, and you're absolutely welcome to reach out to me. And I will share my entire strategy with you in a 30-minute Zoom call, including the messaging, including the technical part of this, including the app. Okay, so I will either talk to you soon or I'll see you on another video.